The fourth learning unit is here. Learning Unit 4, Organizing for Mental Health in VET Organizations. This unit will help you understand the importance of school-based mental health services. This unit has 6 desired outcomes. 1. To understand the importance of school-based mental health services and their role and organization. 2. To empower teachers and trainers with the knowledge, skills, and attitudes necessary to contribute effectively to the establishment and implementation of mental health policies and guidelines in VET. 3. To empower educators and training professionals to integrate mental health education into vocational curriculum and training programs. 4. To equip teachers and trainers with the knowledge, skills, and attitudes necessary to cultivate nurturing and inclusive learning environments. 5. To understand, analyze, and design peer support and mentoring programs in vocational education. 6. To equip learners with the knowledge, skills, and commitment to address the complex challenges associated with providing mental health care in vocational education settings and to advocate for meaningful change. As always, take your time going through the unit, don't get overwhelmed. Enjoy the course. For more information about the project, www.AHEADinVET.com.